Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
Do I have to?
Okay, well, what happens is if you do refuse, your license will be suspended.
Oh yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.
What I'm going to have you do is just blow one long continuous breath outwards. It's going to click.
Yeah.
All right? Just keep blowing until I tell you to stop.
All right.
All right?
On March 15th, 2025, a new Smyrna Beach police officer conducted a traffic stop that began with a window tint violation and escalated to arrests for underage alcohol possession.
Can you lower the back?
Lower the back?
Yeah, lower the back for me. Alright, that's good. Alright. I stopped you because of your tint, man. Can you roll this up for a little bit?
Oh yeah.
Stop right there. Yeah, your tint's illegal, okay? Has to be 28 in the front. So you roll your window back down. Do you have relationship registration insurance?
Yeah.
I didn't check your ID. How old are you, man?
20.
20?
Yeah.
How old are you?
20.
20 as well? I'm sorry, it's probably been 15 years since I've ever even discussed an O2.
Yeah.
Is it 21, or is it 20 and under, or is it 18 and under?
21.
Okay, so he could be 20 and still violate the O2? Okay, then we're good then. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, do you want to have them step out?
Yeah. All right, man, a couple things, okay?
Yeah.
One, I smell alcohol coming from you, okay? Have you been drinking today?
I drank like a beer like 3 hours ago when I was on the beach.
Okay. Your eyes are kind of hazy or glazed over as well.
Mm-hmm.
So if you would come on, step out. Yeah. Also, I can see that there is a vape in your center console.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and step out for me.
Yeah.
Rest your butt up against the back of the truck right there. Yep, just right there. Stay there.
Check what? Okay. Hello.
Hello, can I put my shorts on?
Of course. Are they in the back seat here?
Yeah, they're in my bag.
Yep, that's fine. No problem. How old are you? Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
Do I have to?
Okay, well, what happens is if you do refuse, your license will be suspended.
Oh yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.
What I'm going to have you do is just blow one long continuous breath outwards. It's going to click.
Yeah.
All right? Just keep blowing until I tell you to stop.
All right.
All right? Good. Keep going, 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 keep going. Good. All look at it together. Okay. Got 052.
Yeah, we live, well, his parents.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
I do. Do you need it?
Yeah, can you grab that for me, please?
I think it's also in my bag.
Okay.
It's over here. I may. I have to go over. I'll check. I'll check.
Thank you.
Just for change right back for 1 second.
Yep.
You seem a little nervous, man. So kind of wiggle a little bit for me, okay? I really don't feel like chasing you. I don't know if that was your intention.
No, not at all.
I don't know if it was, man. But
Not
either
at
way,
all.
so while he works on that and you get that work down, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna sit you on the tailgate.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you hop out there?
You have her back there too?
She can go back there, yeah.
Alright, you want to just come sit next to him? Mine room also.
And so, did you guys just go to the beach?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you guys bring the alcohol with you? And so who brought it?
I did.
You brought the alcohol? Okay. But you drank off of it? Okay. So, have you guys been through spring break time the past couple of years in the New Smyrna?
Yeah.
So you know how crazy it can get?
Yes.
We
Do you
weren't doing
understand? listen, I don't know you, man. I'm not judging you, okay? You seem like a decent dude. I'm not judging you by any means, okay?
Yeah.
We just have a zero tolerance policy right now.
Yeah, I get
and you guys have seen the law enforcement presence. Like, we warn people on social media. Like, we put it out there. Like, if you're doing something, anything illegal, whether it's riding with loud music or whether it's with alcohol or fighting, like, or bringing guns, like, to that extreme. No matter what it is, like, we have a zero tolerance policy, and you guys are going to get in trouble.
Yeah.
I just don't understand why you guys thought like that it was a good idea. You're going to jail for possession of alcohol under 21. All right, I'll finish searching the truck and make sure there's nothing else that's going to be. But yeah, so. And this will be explained to you here in a little bit, but basically it's an O2 violation, and it actually comes it actually restricts your driving privileges. So, but we'll talk about it when we get back to the. We have a command post over there. We'll talk when we get over there.
Okay.
I haven't searched him. Okay. You haven't searched him. Next problem is I can't rightfully take him to jail and not you because you knew that you had it as well. Okay? So you're going to go for the same thing. Except you're not getting your driving privilege suspended.
So I'm going to jail?
You're going to go to jail for possession of alcohol. You were both in the car. You both had knowledge about the alcohol. All right?
Sorry.
I had to ask because I don't want to just assume that it's his. So when I ask and you claim that it's yours, and I can't just pick and choose who I take for things, okay?
Yeah.
So, you know, if I realized at the time, if we would have said it's mine, you didn't drink any of it or anything like that, then I would have had to decide what to do then. He admitted to me when he was over here when we were testing him to make sure. I don't want him driving home. Like, I don't want him, like.
Yeah, I understand that.
He has been drinking, so if you guys get into a crash, I'd feel bad.
Yeah.
So I had to make sure that he was safe to drive, period. But then, of course, it comes into the fact that you guys probably have alcohol. He admits that he knew it was back in, that there's still some left in the cooler. You say you get it, it's yours, you brought it, stuff like that. So you both had knowledge of it, so unfortunately you both are going to be going to jail today.
Okay. Am I able to call my mom?
You can call your mom. You're going to go to the Lewis County Branch Jail. Your bond will be $500. If you use a bail bondsman, I think it's $100. But it'll probably be a couple hours before you get up there, but you call and just let me know what happened. On that door, there's a set of cuffs. Will you grab them for me?
Dad? Hey, just a heads up, me and Josh just got sent to jail. We're on our way to the Volusia County branch in Daytona. Because we got caught with possession of alcohol, and Josh was driving, and we had Malibu in the cooler. Okay, thank you.
Corporal, officer out of here.
I still remember you as a corporal.
My dad is coming to meet us.
To jail?
Yes.
Call him back and tell him it's going to be a couple hours.
Okay, I'll text him.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Do you have anything else in your pockets
I
at all?
don't, you can check me.
That's not necessary. Just turn around for me. This area. And then on the opposite side of the car.
I have a question. Is there any way I can use the bathroom?
Bathroom?
Yeah, I really have to pee.
Yeah, I'll see if there's a female officer available to take you.
Okay.
I'll see what the procedures are for the. Usually we're at like a station, so we just take you to
Okay.
the police
Thank
station.
you.
So I'll find out for you. All right, Josh. I'm gonna put you in that van. All right. He's going to do his own search of you, just like I did. And then he's going to transfer cuffs, and then you'll go in, okay?
All right.
I'm not seeing that tag area in my call.
Don't spread your fear. The other thing on you that are poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me in any way, shape, or form. When the hand comes out of the cuff, put it up on top of your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Get backwards on these cuffs. Spin around, face me. Face me. Give me your hand. Turn it up. You'll be going into the left one. Cut down because it is short.
Blanco flag your ave on 426 Delta, Hotel Delta, black.
What's going to happen is I'm going to take these cuffs off. I'm going to be facing the van. Once that cuff comes off, your hand needs to go up on top of your head. Understood? Whatever. Cheap gloves.
Both hands.
Nope, one hand's going to be coming out, the other one's going to be staying in. Okay? Put it up on top of your head. Spin around, face me. Bracelet needs to come off, necklace, all the earrings.
Do you mind helping me?
Yeah, sure.
I'll go grab her bag.
I just got it for my birthday.
I'm putting all your stuff in this bag here, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Got you. Thank you.
Born? Okay.
How many rings is it?
Those 2 rings.
2 rings.
2 rings, 1 bracelet. And she has a necklace. 1 necklace.
My nails don't help at all.
Is there any metal in the hair tie that you have on?
No, sir. It's just elastic.
That's it?
I believe so. Okay.
Does that come out?
I'm sorry?
Does it come out?
Come what?
The belly button. Belly button.
Oh, yes.
One that we took in yesterday. Does it come out? Does it come out? Does it come out?
No, I've had mine for like a year, so.
And the officer at the jail goes, well, we got to take it out.
Ooh.
So she kind of turned away, lifted up her shirt a little bit. Here you go.
Oh, wow.
Could have come out, huh? Okay. Because you're very dangerous according to the officers over here. We got to put 2 sets on here.
Okay.
No, it's actually just so that they can get their cuffs back.
What was this for?
Metful and Gordy.
What was it for?
Oh, alcohol possession under 21.
Thank you. No, this goes back.
All good? Step that up a little bit. Your head's getting in. That is tight.
Under Florida Statute 316.2951, front side windows must allow more than 28% light transmittance. This violation provided probable cause for the stop. In Wren v. United States, the Supreme Court ruled that any traffic violation, however minor, justifies a lawful stop, regardless of the officer's subjective motivation. The officer detected alcohol odor from the 20-year-old driver and observed glazed eyes, establishing reasonable suspicion for DUI investigation. He also observed a vape device in the center console. Under the plain view doctrine from Horton v. California, this observation was legally permissible. Pennsylvania v. Mims grants officers authority to order occupants from a vehicle during any lawful traffic stop without additional justification. When requesting a breath sample, the officer correctly explained Florida's implied consent law under Statute 322.291. Refusal results in automatic license suspension, 1 year for first refusal, 18 months for second. This advisement ensures informed compliance. The breathalyzer registered 0.052% blood alcohol content. For drivers under 21, Florida's zero tolerance law at Statute 322.2616 mandates license suspension at 0.02% or higher. Florida Statute 562.111 criminalizes possession of alcohol by persons under 21. Critically, consumption is not required. Mere possession suffices. Both subjects admitted knowledge of the Malibu rum in the vehicle cooler. This establishes constructive possession, knowledge plus access to contraband. The officer referenced his department's zero-tolerance policy during spring break. This removes individual officer discretion in favor of mandatory arrest. While Florida law permits civil citations for first offense underage possession, departmental policy during high-volume enforcement periods often mandates arrest instead. The officer's comment about not wanting to chase the driver was tactically questionable. The subject showed no indication of flight and was fully cooperative. This statement added unnecessary tension and contradicted the otherwise professional de-escalation approach maintained throughout the interaction. Before transport, the officer conducted searches incident to arrest. Once probable cause for arrest exists, officers may search for weapons and evidence without a warrant. The jewelry removal and property inventory serves both security and liability purposes. Departments must account for all personal property to prevent loss claims. Both subjects were charged with second-degree misdemeanor under Florida Statute 562.111, punishable by up to 60 days jail and $500 fine. However, first-time offenders typically qualify for pre-trial diversion programs involving alcohol education and community service, often resulting in case dismissal. Let's examine the grades. The officer receives a B+ for legally sound enforcement with minor tactical concerns. Positive factors include proper probable cause development, correct legal advisements, professional demeanor, and full policy compliance. The grade reduction reflects the unnecessary flight comment and broader questions about proportionality when arresting cooperative first-time offenders. The driver receives a C. He violated multiple statutes: illegal window tint, underage possession, and driving after consuming alcohol. With 0.052% BAC, he exceeded the zero-tolerance threshold despite claiming only 1 beer 3 hours prior, suggesting either more consumption or incorrect estimation. To his credit, he complied fully, answered truthfully rather than lying, and maintained respectful behavior throughout the arrest process. The female passenger receives a C+. She possessed alcohol illegally by bringing it to the beach and admitting knowledge of it in the vehicle. However, she did not consume alcohol or operate the vehicle. reducing her culpability compared to the driver who did both. Her immediate compliance, respectful demeanor, and cooperation during the jewelry removal process elevate her grade slightly above the driver's. Under Florida law, both actual possession through consumption and constructive possession through knowledge of contraband violate the statute equally. Key lessons from this case. First, zero-tolerance policies during enforcement operations eliminate officer discretion, regardless of subject cooperation or circumstances. Second, for young people, understanding that possession does not require consumption is critical. Simply having alcohol present is sufficient for arrest. Third, implied consent laws mean refusing breath tests triggers automatic license suspension, often creating worse consequences than complying. Fourth, passengers can be arrested for contraband in vehicles they occupy if they have knowledge and access, even without personal consumption. Fifth, spring break and similar high-volume periods see enhanced enforcement. What might receive a warning in January becomes an arrest in March. From a constitutional perspective, every action in this case was legally defensible. The stop, investigation, searches, and arrest all meet Fourth Amendment standards. The policy question remains whether mandatory arrest for cooperative first-time offenders serves public safety better than citation and education. Research suggests diversion programs have higher success rates for reducing recidivism than criminal convictions for first-time juvenile alcohol offenses. The officer balanced competing demands effectively, enforced strict policy while maintaining professionalism and providing clear communication about consequences. For subjects, the lesson is clear. Cooperation and honesty, while not preventing arrest, create better long-term outcomes in case disposition and diversion eligibility. This interaction demonstrates how departmental policies during specific periods can override individual officer judgment in applying the law. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.